Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, what we're going to go over is how to choose a good broker. So recently I've had this opening that, we need to go over the basics because I believe a lot of people still don't have the basics. In front of you is actually the Black Forex Academy ebook. So, we're going to go over it. We're going to use it on how, find our way in trading, if you will. Cool. So here we are, how to choose a good broker. So if you want to see how that goes, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and share with a few friends that you believe will find the video to be of value. Thank you. Cool. So how do you first choose a good broker? First things first, that broker needs to be verified. Ain't no way in hell are you trading with a broker that's not verified. For those that are in SA, in South Africa, over the years, like in my trading, this is about I've been in the trading for over 4 years. If this year goes by, this will be my 5th year. I've witnessed with my own 2 eyes over 3 brokers run away with people's money. Like they just close the offices, you can't log into their accounts, you can't withdraw, you can't do anything. Right? Global markets being the latest one, like it happened last year. Guys, this is happening. People are being robbed of their hard-earned money. Now, in order for you to actually be able to sue a brokerage firm, the brokerage firm will have to be verified so that you can actually get your money back. If the brokerage firm is not verified, you can't get your money back once the broker runs off with it. So in order for you to first make sure that your investment of your hard-earned money is safe, you need to make sure that the broker that you're depositing your money with is verified. Cool? All right, cool. So second thing, you want to make sure, okay, I've deposited money into this broker. Does he provide me with the best trading conditions? When I say the best trading conditions, I mean the best chances. Is he giving you the best chances for you to actually make the most out of the trades? Like with low spreads, with low commissions, right? Because some brokers actually give you like crazy spreads. Like let's say you're a scalper. You're trying to catch 10 pips. The broker is having a spread of 5 pips. Like, what are you trying to make? He actually cuts your winning by half. Now okay, you'll still win 5 pips, but if you chose a better broker, you would have won twice that. Like, is it really worth it to trade with a broker with that lousy spreads, with very high commissions? Because some brokers don't give you high spreads. They give you crazy commissions. This, for scalpers, it's a killer. It's killing them. And recently in the markets, obviously most of the traders have to turn into scalping and intraday trading because most of the trends don't last long. A trade is right now going up, it's bullish, the next thing you know, it's bearish. So most of the people that are trading have actually turned into scalping and intraday trade. So you need brokers with low spreads and low commissions so that you can actually maximize your chances of making the most out of the trades that you take. So that's the second and third thing that you need to look at while choosing a good broker. Okay. Now, fourth thing and fifth thing, it looks like they're skipping. Like I can't move them with one, right? Okay, cool. It's lowest deposit. You want to make sure your broker gives you a low deposit, right? A low deposit rate. Because if you don't get a low deposit rate, what's the meaning of it? And it's a maximum withdrawal. Like he gives you a low deposit and very high withdrawals because you want to deposit a small amount and withdraw a large amount. That's the whole point of trading, to multiply your paper, to multiply your investment. So you need to make sure that your broker gives you a small investment, like as low deposit as you can, like anywhere from even $10. Like the broker that I used allows you to deposit even $10 and allows you to withdraw up to a maximum of $3 million. That's the type of broker that I want to go with. I know that even if a day I make $3 million, I won't have a problem withdrawing it. Not a broker that tells you have a maximum to withdraw of $10,000. Hey, why are you limiting my dreams? I want to be a 6-figure trader. So you're telling me I can't withdraw with your brokerage firm? Nah, the hell out of my sight. So you need to make sure that your broker gives you low deposit rates and very high withdrawal like limits, right? Now, you want to check also for the trading platforms. What trading platforms does this broker allow you to use? You don't want to deposit money with a broker that doesn't work on the platform that you're using. Because for instance, with me, I use MT4 and MT5. If now a broker doesn't allow me to use MT4 or MT5, why would I use that broker? How will I actually put in my trades? How will I be placing my trades? That'll just make no sense to me, right? So you need to make sure the broker that you choose actually allows you to actually, you know, be working with your platform that you're using, right? If it will be C+, whatever platform you're using, MT4, MT5, whatever platform you're using, make sure that the broker uses their platform. The next thing is deposit and withdrawal methods, right? You want to make sure that the broker has good deposit and withdrawal methods that are actually working to your standards. Because like there's a recent broker that wanted to work with me, wanted me to affiliate him, right? And I'm not going to shy away from that broker. It's called Volt Markets. Volt Markets is a bad broker, guys. It's a bad broker. First, bad spreads, bad commissions, right? Bad spreads, bad commissions. At the end of the day, you still have like deposit methods, like there are over 10 deposit methods. And then withdrawal methods, there are only like 2. Like I'm like, hey, if you can actually integrate all these deposits methods, why can't you integrate them in withdrawal methods? Like they're making it easy for me to give them money, but they're making it hard for me to get my money back. Now that's a red flag to me. That is a red flag. If you want to call red flags on relationships between a client and a broker, that's a big red flag. Because how can you make it easy for me to give you money and then hard for me to get it back? That's not fair. How can you put 10 ways for me to give you money and then only 2 for me to get it back? Does that seem fair to you? Obviously not. So you need to make sure the deposit and withdrawal methods that the broker has are actually accessible to you, and they're actually, you know, like the same deposit methods that are there are also there in the withdrawal methods. Because if a broker is making it hard for you to get out your money, that's a red flag, and you don't need to open a brokerage account with that broker. 8th thing is reputation. You need a broker with a good reputation. You can't just be putting your money on a broker that has bad reputation on the streets. That's a red flag. You need a broker that has been in the industry for years, if you will. Years, because you want to make sure that the broker has seen it all, if that makes sense. Like he's seen the highs and the lows. You want to make sure the broker has actually done business, has been around for a while. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. You don't want to be in a broker or working with a broker that, you know, has a bad reputation. Like that's bad. That's bad for business. You'll just be naive and most likely you're going to lose your investment. So you don't want that. The 9th thing is accessibility. Does the broker have a permanent office? Now, obviously, you may not be able to access their offices. Maybe they're in another country, another continent, but is it there? Because that accessibility gives it some kind of accountability to it, right? It actually gives them some sort of accountability, like they have to be accountable for these clients that they handle. If a broker doesn't have, you can't have access, like they don't have permanent offices, that's a red flag. That's a bad thing, because at the end of the day, if they run away, if they are not registered, how verified, how are you going to actually get them? Obviously you can't. So these are the 9 things that I always look at before choosing a good broker to work with. So if you found this video to be of value, please give us a like, share, subscribe, comment what you'd like me to talk about next. And if you want a copy of this ebook, it's in our website that's linked in the description below. Feel free to purchase it. Till next time, guys, I appreciate you all. Take care. Have a great weekend. Peace.